Hey there, it's Tally, and today I'm going to cover lost ticket fees. A lost ticket fee can be configured as part of your loan regulation set in System Configuration. If configured, the fee will automatically be added to a renewal or redemption if the transaction starts with the customer and not with the pawn ticket entered into Smart Search. Bravo assumes if you start the transaction with the customer and not the loan ticket, the ticket is not present. If this is not the case and the customer does have their loan ticket, the lost ticket fee can easily be removed. Let's see an example. Find the customer by entering a few letters of their name, KR for the first name and BA for the last name. Confirm you have the correct customer by either confirming the address, phone number, or birth date. Choose Select. From the far right of the transaction screen, select either Redemption or Renewal. In this example, we'll choose Renewal. Find the loan that's to be renewed. Select OK. Notice the lost ticket fee automatically populates. To remove it, select Remove Lost Ticket, and the balance due from the customer will be adjusted. That's it. For additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks, and have a great day.